Everyone's talking about how low interest rates are right now. Every realtor, every lender you know is talking about it nonstop on their Facebook page. But what does that mean for you? And what should you do when rates are low? I have 4 ideas on what to do when rates are low, and I can almost guarantee at least one of them will apply to you. First thing is to buy a home. The lower the interest rate, the lower the monthly payment, and that's really what most people care about. Also, most people have no idea how much the interest rate really does affect your payment, much more than just a few $1,000s in price. So rate is really the big win, and they're extremely low right now. So if you have any desire or any reason to buy in the near future, I would suggest seeing what you can do to buy sooner than later to get in on these rates. Number 2 is sell your home. And why? Because the person who will be buying your house will be benefiting from these very low interest rates, and so because of that they may not be afraid to pay a higher price than otherwise. The monthly payment is really what matters, and the low rate will help keep that payment less painful than it would at a higher rate, say if they were to buy a year ago. So they're not going to be afraid to go a little higher than normal in terms of purchase price, which is just going to be cash straight into your pocket. Number 3, buy a home. Specifically, if you plan to buy a home and then keep it long-term as a rental property, whether you will buy it and put a renter in it right away, or buy it, live in it for a few years, and then rent it in a few years from now when you're ready to move on to your next house. You will love having the low rate long-term. It's really going to help in terms of making your numbers work as a landlord. Never refinance, never pay it off, just enjoy the low rate very long-term. You'll love the next one if you have no desire to move, and it's to refinance. Almost everyone can refinance right now and save a little bit of money, because it's there have been very few times throughout history where rates have been this low. So I can't help you with a refinance. I'm not a lender, but I can put you in touch with someone who can. To recap those 4 ideas I had: number 1, buy; number 2, sell; 3, invest long-term, buy and hold; and number 4 is refinance. Rates are amazing. Don't miss out.